STS TV, STS TV, STS TV, STS TV. All right, let's get it. Quick cash slap update. Right now we sitting at 0.000594. We at the not that's like the last low that we was at. So it's bouncing off of it. It's doing pretty good. But all right, so I want to talk about this now, right? So Twitter, you can get paid to tweet. All right, so I'm gonna actually, I like doing my little challenges. So I'm gonna take y'all through the steps of getting paid to tweet. So basically, you get paid for what's known as impressions. So you know me, I'm a SEO god. So with knowing how to do that, it's easy to rack up impressions, right? So on this, I got 50 impressions just by using SEO and hashtagging it a certain way and knowing which keywords rank high but with low traffic. It would rank but with low competition. Just knowing how to, because I just posted this an hour ago, got 50 views on Twitter. You know what I mean? So it's ranking 51 now. You know what I mean? So and then I link the YouTube video to it. So it's a web, and then you gotta link it back. It's a whole web with SEO. But once you learn how to do it, you can engage the crawlers and it's a whole linkage, and you can just drive traffic from everywhere, right? Once you know how to do it. So I'm gonna run it up. Basically, I pinned this tweet too. You want to use. I'm giving you tips too as well in this video. You want to use pinned tweets. So your best tweet. So this it has money in it. People is green. People is gonna catch people's eye. Oh, 9,000, 3,000. What's that about? So how I make money online: stocks, cryptocurrency, hashtag, the YouTube channel linked, the meme coin. That's the hottest, pretty much topic. That actually made the news. Actually, the term meme coin made the news because, pardon me, so many people are searching it that it ranked in the world. So many people are searching it. But yeah, this is just a quick little tip, money tips, you know what I mean? And I just posted that 44 minutes ago. It got 24 impressions or views. Now the payout of an impression, I think it's 0.00047 something, but that shit adds up. And you can see I got one profile visit off that, and 5 engagements off that. So you could engagement is the total number of times the user has interacted with a post. This includes all clicks anywhere, basically the CPM, yada yada yada. Impressions. This is the time it was seen, so the views, just like a YouTube video. So some of these people accounts, think about this. They just send out one tweet. Once you build up your following, and yeah, you get paid to tweet. Now the requirements to get paid to tweet. Now, okay, so this is how I'm gonna beat this, because it's always gonna be some they make money off of you before you make money off them, right? So how they run it is they want you to have 500 followers and pay for their premium service, which is I think $11 a month, right? These are all the what you get with the service. You get paid to post. You get paid to post. Okay, so you get a share of the revenue. Woo, woo, woo. Like I just said, from the impressions, paid to post. You get X Pro, Media Pro, Analytics. You get to see analytics, just like YouTube Analytics, so you can know how good you're doing. Right now, I can't see that guy ain't paying for this shit yet, right? I'm actually gonna get the 500 first, finesse them out of that first. Then, also how you finesse it too. I'm gonna just give you the juice. How you finesse it too is you go on big accounts in your niche. So mine is the crypto niche. So I'll go crypto. Find a big account. I don't know. Like boom. So this dude Quentin, right? He got 1 million impressions. You like his joint. You've been into crypto for 4 years, but you must be so rich. Think again. Think again. Right? And you hit reply. It's just some quirky stuff, and then all of a sudden that reply right there, that'll start getting views, right? You see, that'll start ranking, right? See, I said think again. After a while, you look back, it's gonna start getting views right there. So that's a little sneaky way to get views and impressions on your tweet. You feel me? Well, yeah, once you do that a certain amount of times, you build a following, all that. You build up your 500. Then you got to get 15 million impressions in 3 months, and then you'll be eligible. So you gotta pay for the program, $11, 500 follows, which is gonna come organic just by tweeting every day. You send out 5 tweets a day. It's gonna compound. And then 15 million in 3 months, which is light as hell, because you can see how this snowballs. 25, 39. They literally get views like look 52 now. So it snowballs. You know what I mean? But after a while, you keep doing it, and then you can get paid to tweet. Imagine that, like literally, people getting checks to tweet. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Just a little like I said, I'm always gonna show you the little, little stuff that you might not have been aware of, or if you're aware of it, dope. If you weren't, now you know. So this one right here, I think Cat Slap might beat the Frog. That little stupid tweet that got 3 views, so 3 impressions. You know what I mean? So it adds up. So 15 million is really not that crazy. So this guy right here, right? So these are the rules. So approximate Twitter ad payouts. Yeah. So this is the tweet impressions. So 10 cents per 10,000, $1 per 100,000, like type. You know what I mean? Just a rough draft estimate. All right. Ad revenues do got paid 6,000. Also, they only use Striped. That's who they bank with. Striped. So you gotta make a Striped account to cash out your bread. So that's cool. You know what I mean? I ain't tripping off that. But yeah, so check out if you into the if you a tweeter and you already got a whole bunch of Twitter followers, why not check this out? I'm gonna build mine up. I just made my Twitter back, SEO'd out and optimized. Go follow me on Twitter. You feel me? At Shaq posting up SCSTV. So I just optimized my joint back out. So go follow me, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna run mine up. And after a while, I get paid to tweet because it's just about compounding it, staying active every day. It's the same thing as YouTube. It's just you gotta literally just do the same thing over here. Just stay active every day, and they kind of just reward you after a while, and then you kind of shimmy into the program. So yeah, that's what it is. Twitter. Just I think it might be like a little Twitter tutorial, how to get paid to tweet, yada yada yada. SDS TV. Remember I told you about this little streaming. Come if you didn't know about it. Yeah, now you know.